The following contest is a tag match scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, a team of Jason Nex and a mystery partner. Don't even know his partner is. The first team of Jason Nex and the ReduX.
Welcome next. Kill you.
This is really a dynamic duo. First time these two are teamed up. And their opponents. The team of Switchblade.
I found a partner.
He's got the champ. The XCW champ, Chase. The champ is teaming up with another champ. Hashtag team champion. Look at this. Look at this. Could this
one's for my viewers.
Could that be our future?
I've already had some of that.
We're finishing some unfinished business.
Thank you. Thank you.
As well, champ. It looks like. Finally get my hands on you.
So excited. Who's starting? Who's starting? Come on, come on. Alright, you ready?
So Jason Nex and the champ are starting.
Kill him next.
Are we ready?
Be wanting
Ring the bell.
Ding, ding, ding. We've seen an implosion of the entourage, and now we get to see Nex square off with the champ.
Hey, buddy. Really? Really? Really?
He tagged Hooks in.
Really?
Wait.
That's a tag again.
And now Switchblade's been tagged in.
Which one is going to be in?
Be Switchblade and Jason
This is like
Nex.
a replay of Chase and
Wait a
Deuces
sec,
versus
wait.
CJ Click and Richard Thunder.
Oh, here we go.
Ricardo Thunder, I should say.
Now it's back to Chase and Jason Nex.
And the mind games. Oh, here we go. Chase doing
You
the
stuck
mind
him
games.
already.
Oi!
Fine.
How's that feel? How's that feel, champ? Huh?
Wait a second. We've always wanted this. Oi!
Talk about being the best.
Come on, Chase.
Yeah, get him. Get him, Switchblade.
Got two illegal men fighting on the outside. Oh, wait a second. Nex is back up.
Yeah, mate.
Woo! How are you doing, James? Get off me.
Are you tagged in? Or is he tagged in still? Oh, is this? Hey, I'm a legal man, you idiot! Oh.
I think the ref has lost control. The ref has lost control.
Come on, boys. Back in the ring. Get in the corner. You get in the corner. You get in the corner. The two men. The Switchblade and Dukes. Get in the corner.
I'm in my corner!
Get in your corner.
Are you in?
These two men are in. Not you. Stay out of the ring. Both yous.
Do the right thing. I'm not going to. Nothing.
Switchblade.
Nothing done.
Come on, come on, come on.
I got it.
Lock up.
Here we go. Collar and elbow. Dukes just slapping the
Yeah, that's real classy.
slapping the state champ back of the head.
God.
Oh, no, I'm good, mate. I'll be seeing you later.
Oh, really? I'll see no action.
An interesting combination by the champ. Got that clothesline.
Come on, Dulce! You got it!
We saw these two in an epic one-on-one before.
That's it, man!
Hey!
Get him! Knock him out!
What's Dook's going for? There's going to be rear naked. The arm trap.
Knock him out!
Chase is now the legal man.
No gouts in the eyes, Duke, see?
Do I what?
Chase made the tag.
Attack!
Get in! You tag, get in!
What are you doing?
Back in your corner.
Jason Nex is doing something. He's doing something. Look!
He's going back to his
Oh, you just sprayed him in the eyes. You just sprayed him in the eyes with whatever that was. The neck of the bulldog on the top. I think Dooks is hurt. He's blind. Been blinded.
Check on him!
Bastard. Come on.
Oh, you just sprayed him again.
Am I legal?
You just sprayed Jason Nex in the eyes with whatever that is.
Am I legal?
You alright?
Dulce! Am I legal?
They're both.
Is this the ring? Feels like the ring.
It's,
One! Two!
and Dooks kicks out.
Really?
We're witnessing an implosion.
Don't get him!
Take it in!
I did it!
I don't think Dooks can still see, but he beat the crap out of the champ nonetheless.
Dooksy, whatever your damn name is.
Dulce! I can see kinda.
Yeah.
What?
Get back in your corner.
Object man. What are you doing?
To clear out his partner's eyes.
From what?
I'm not seeing.
And now we're back to Jason Nex and the champ.
Give me a minute. 1 minute. Okay, I've had a very traumatic day. My hand.
Oh, now that's one of the kicks that took out Hellhammer. But Jason Nex is back up on his feet with a super kick on his own to the midsection.
That's it!
Hey, you're looking at a form.
Am I?
Oh!
Now Dooks is legal man.
Together, brother!
Sorry,
In your corner, Jason! In your corner! In
I
your
think the
corner.
ref is finding it difficult to maintain order in this tag match up. Another bulldog. No, we've lost control. We've lost control. We have lost control. What's that? I think that's what he's been using to spray. DDT. By Nex on the champ. I think it's Chase and Nex that are legal.
I've lost sight of his fucking
I think it's Dooks and it's Dooks and Chase who are legal. I think. Pretty sure. Yourself and the ref out. Now it's Switchblade and Dooks.
One! One.
Brigadiners!
a neck breaker.
Watch it, champ.
Signature neck breaker from Dux. And now it's chasing Dux.
See ya? See ya?
Oh!
Oh, that's a slap.
Remember that?
Nah.
Did he spray? Did he just spray him again? I think he did. I think he sprayed him again. And there it is. There's that kick.
Duxie!
The roundhouse. Dux is out. Dux is out in his feet.
Do it, Dux, do it.
Dux is out in his feet. And again. He's out. Pin him. Go for the pin.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
And that's it.
I sure.
Chase has picked up the victory.
Your winner. Chase.
It wasn't pretty,
Roxy!
but Chase got it done.
Yay! What job? I could only get you shoes! I can't see! Neither can I! What the heck?
That one's for you.
Why I have a shoe? This referee's a hashtag wank!
Chase. Chase.
Maybe that's your thing! I can't see! I can't see your... I know where I am.
Oh, wait a second. What's Switchblade doing? What the heck? He's attacking the man who won him the tag match. Is it? What? What?
Switchblade.
What?
The match is over and done with.
Get. And the ref has been taken out by Nex. What's? What? Excuse me. What is going on? And another betrayal. Wait a second. Then the remainder of the entourage, the enforcer of sorts.
You guys never meant nothing to me.
That. I'm.
The tag's still standing!
Can't see that, Duxie. I don't know what I was doing.
I don't know what's going on, but
Blind.
we've seen multiple betrayals.
Blind.
We have seen multiple. What?
Kick my ass, Tommy!
Entourage.
What's the difference between your hands and the floor? Yeah, 2 inches, buddy!